everyone, Christina here. Welcome to day 25 of the holiday card series for 2021. Today is the official last day of the holiday card series, but don't forget to come back between now and Christmas. I have a couple special videos for you guys. Today's card was a labor of love. Whenever I do no line watercoloring, it just takes a really long time. So I'm going to be talking through a little bit of the no line watercoloring today, and then I will speed it up just a little bit and share some holiday music with you. So it's a really cute stamp set from Mama Elephant. They're one of my favorite stamp companies to do no line watercoloring with, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. The stamp set from Mama Elephant that I'm using today is called Snow Much Fun. It has this adorable little scene with two puppies building a snowman. There's a third puppy throwing a snowball, and then there's three little lambs playing in the snow as well. I'm focusing on the image of the two puppies building a snowman, and I'm going to be doing no line watercoloring today. And basically, no line watercoloring is when you stamp your image in a very light colored ink, and then you color it as usual. And as you color it, all of the lines sort of fade away into the background, and you're left with a very illustrative look. Some people call it like storybook coloring or something like that, but essentially it's just coloring with very light lines. Most anyone can do it. It just seems a little bit intimidating at first sometimes, but with a little practice, you can do it too. So today I stamped in Antique Linen Distress ink. That's one of my favorites for no line watercoloring. And I'm going to tape my watercolor piece down to a board, and then I'll get to the painting. So the watercolor paper I'm using today is Fabriano Artistico Extra White. I'm using a size 2 round brush from Escada, and I'm going to be painting with distress inks that are squished onto a slick surface. So like I said before, I'm going to turn on some music and enjoy.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so Cause every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
This little scene turned out so great. I really debated on what color to make the talk bubble, but in the end, I knew that I wanted it to be heat embossed with white embossing powder, so I wanted to make that talk bubble a dark color. So that's why I chose black. It's not a very traditional color to use for this kind of talk bubble look, but it works well with the white heat embossing powder. I chose a greeting from the stamp set that says warmest winter wishes, and I stamped that in Versamark ink and then coated it in some alabaster embossing powder from Brutus Monroe. I heat set the embossing powder until it was smooth and melted, and then it was time to cut down my painting to fit onto a card. So I'm using the A2 layer size from Waffle Flower, which gives me a really great opportunity to center my scene on the size of paper I want it to be. And I held it in place with some Easy C tape and ran it through my die cutting machine. I'm left with this perfectly cut panel that will fit onto an A2 sized card with an equal amount of margin on all sides. I put some foam adhesive on the back of my watercolor panel, and then I pressed it down onto an already folded A2 card base. This card base is made out of some Neenah Classic Crest Solar White cardstock in the 110 pound version. To finish it off, I decided to add some snowflakes since it is winter wishes on the card. So I just drew on some dots all around the animals and the snowman, and then decided to put some snow over top as well. This is just going to make it seem like the snow is all over the scene, and it is in front of the puppies and in back of the puppies. It's just everywhere. So that is my day 25 card. I'm going to show it to you up close. It's rather simple as far as a card design goes, but such a heartwarming image. I love that card so much. It's just so sweet. The two little puppies with the snowman. I sent a picture of this card to my friend Mary Dawn, and she was like, the only thing that would make it better is if they were cats. She said that might be very catist of me, but that's how I feel. I just thought that was so funny. It would be cute with cats. It'd be cute with a lot of different animals, but the puppies are adorable. For the final holiday question for 2021, this is a pretty easy one, or maybe it'll be easy. I want you to let me know down in the comments, as far as gifts go, would you rather receive an actual physical gift or an experience? And that experience could be anything. Are you an experienced person, or are you a gift person? You know, something that you can look back and hold and, see physically in front of you, or would you rather have a memory, an experience? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for joining me for all 25 of these card videos for 2021. I appreciate you all so much, and I will be back with more cards. I've got a couple before Christmas, and then I'll be back in the new year. We're going to jump right into a Valentine's Day card series, so you'll want to come back for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon.